MyMediaHelper.com, and today I wanted to talk about affiliate links, affiliate sites, the Amazon Associates program. And so I'm going to gab through my experiences, and I get comments once in a while on my tutorial saying I talk too much. And I just respond back that, well, I didn't make this tutorial for you. Go to some other tutorial then if I talk too much. I made it for the rest of the people. So that's just a comment I received like a week or two ago. All you do is yammer. Well, that's tough shit. This is what I do, and I release it. Whoever wants to watch it, watch it. That's true with anything. That's true with anything you want to watch. Yeah, I went out on a tangent with that one. So I want to talk about associates links, Amazon Associates links. So your average guru that pops up on my YouTube channel before I'm actually watching the YouTube show I want to watch. A lot of them are these fly-by-night YouTube gurus that don't typically know shit. They said they've made millions, which they probably haven't made millions at all. And you never see them again. You'll see them advertise for like a week or two, and then they'll be gone. You'll never see them. In most cases, there's these boneheads right here, the Mickelson twins. They've been pushing the same shit forever with Audible, making money off Audible. And basically what they've done now, and people like them, is filled Audible with a bunch of shit, basically. Their big thing is make Audible books and post them. They could be shit books, but post them anyways if they're shit. And then you have a Facebook group that you can go on, and everyone goes on there that signs up for their stupid course. And then they all rate each other's books. So they all rate fantastic. And then the consumer's there and they're getting shit. They're basically getting shit for their product, what they paid for. So it's just people like these that annoy me and bother me and lie all the time to what they make and what they do. And they're all full of shit. So please don't sign up for any of these people's courses. There's nothing that these people are teaching you that you can't find online for free. And that's why I'm bringing them up specifically, these online gurus, because I'm going to tell you something that you can get for free today. And it's not rocket science, as they say. It's not hard to figure out, or at least if you're guided in the right direction, it's not hard to continue from the direction I'm going to guide you. So these people piss me off. There was infomercials in the 80s I used to watch at 2 a.m. It's the same shit. It's just a different outlet. It's a different medium now. Instead of 2 o'clock television, they're online. They're worthless. They're pointless. Don't listen to them. Don't pay for their courses. All right. With that all said and done, let's talk about the Amazon Associates program. So anyone can sign up for it. Right here, here's another account I haven't signed up for. So you just join for free. The only contingent on joining for free is you have, I think it's like 90 days, if I'm not mistaken, to make a sale, to show that you're making sales and you're serious, or they'll cancel your associates program. But you can go back and re-sign up. I think I've signed up like 5 or 6 times over the years. I really haven't concentrated on it until recently. So I just monetized, again, for my second time, my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm not making much, maybe $3 a day. And this just started July 7th. July 7th? No, it must have started. No, it was a couple days. It took them a couple days to verify me and put me through and accept me. Let me go back 365 days. So I was accepted once upon a time. And I did quite good, but there were some videos that were on there that YouTube disliked. So I don't know, someone reviewed my channel after I monetized, I suppose, and said, no, you've got too much of other people's crap, which I really don't have I don't take a lot of video from other people. All mine is like this. I record it on my own. But I went and I started another channel, and I moved what I thought was a lot of content. So these are a lot of movie reviews. I did location shoots. I used clips from different sources, especially this Barbie and the G.I. Joe documentary I did. There was a lot of interviews and clips from other videos that I did, or other videos that were already created that I used for my documentary. So I moved all this stuff to another channel, and I didn't think I moved enough. I was very surprised when I got the email back stating that I was accepted once again in the monetary program. So that is like a first step for me. That's what I wanted to get to. It took me about 3.5 years to get here. And it was a gradual pace, right? it didn't take me 60 or 90 days, whatever these gurus think they're going to teach you. You're going to make oodles of money in 60, 90 days or whatever they say. It happens. It happens absolutely. Just not in my case. I'm not the best creator in the world. I don't have the best setup. I don't have the best audio, video, all that stuff. I'm not the best at any of it. But I'm still making money. There's people that, there's beautiful women that all they have to do is be beautiful and just do things in front of the camera, and they get tons and oodles of subscribers because they're beautiful, or other things. It doesn't have to just be that. So it really depends on what your niche is and what you're going for. And I'm not saying you can't start monetizing in that time frame, but it's very rare. And there's not a lot of people. I think it's like 3 or 4% or something like that actually makes it to monetization. You can look that up on Google. I think it's around that percentage. So anyways, I'm there. So at this point, okay, I'm going to build my library of tutorials because that's what I like to do. And then I'm also going to start focusing on affiliate links, on advertising, because I really never have done that. My major goal was to go out and do YouTube and monetize YouTube. And now that I'm there, I can keep building up that library. And now I can focus on this other stuff. So I've had associates program for a while. And let me show you here. Payment history, I think. All right, so like right around here, I think I started August 2023 again. And then I made a little in September, December. I didn't really start focusing really until like March. So these were kind of, okay, I posted links and stuff to Amazon, but I just kind of threw them out there, not, just let caution, what do they say? Let the wind be the caution, or caution be the wind, or whatever, whatever the saying is. I wasn't really paying attention to it, nor did I care. It wasn't until really March, April, where I really started to put links. So I have these 2 websites, and they totally have nothing to do with my YouTube channels, really. I have 2 YouTube channels, and I had a dog e-commerce site, which I really never did anything with. I never made any money off it. So now I turned around and I have a Did You Know, a YouTube channel about weird information. So I started posting it here. So up here is just weird information, and then there's dog videos down here to justify a dog site, right? And all the advertisement is doggy stuff. So I started this a couple months ago. Both these sites a couple months ago. They've been around forever. I've just never posted really anything on them. Same with this. This is for my What Is Today YouTube site. That I've been working on for a couple of years, and now I'm going to start posting articles. And the theme is What Is Today? Today, get it? I already had the T website. I already had the YouTube channel. One had nothing to do with the other, and now I'm going to post articles on it. Weird, and you probably can do better. You can have a YouTube channel and a website that better marries each other. Like this channel, my Media Helper, and then I have a website, my Media Helper. Both make sense. They both go together. These other 2 sites, not necessarily. So that's where I'm going with that. So you can sign up for this. You've got so many days to make a sale. And then once you do, like here, I got an extra $50 because they have a royalty program. Let's see, Creator Rewards, I think it's in. Now, I didn't make enough sales for June, where it's saying, but they said I was close enough to get the extra $50. Hey, I'll take $50. I'll fill my gas tank. I'll invest it into my stocks. So yeah, absolutely. So as you can see, 87.93. It's not a lot of money in the big scope of things, but this is a start. This is a start and hopefully a progression as I continue. And like I said, you could probably do a lot better. Your site would probably be better, and your YouTube channel would be better than mine. But I go in, I'm not always making sales. Here's a little sale here. There could be a dry period, which is right here. But then you'll get, you'll get a sale. Someone bought a tower, I think, here. And that wasn't even a tower. That was one of my links. As long as you have an Amazon link and they link off that link, they could go anything. They could buy, Jello or something, or pudding, and purchase that. And you get a kick off of that as long as they use your link to get to Amazon. So the other things I wanted to show you real quick is, I think it's one link. No, okay, you can manage your countries at one link. So you just go in and they'll offer you to manage all your countries, which is good because if you go to, let me see here, not creator rewards, it's around here someplace. SiteStripe. So SiteStripe is, so if you go to Amazon.com, oops, Amazon.com, and so this is where you get your links. These are your affiliate links. So you can go to a product and get a link on a product, or you can go, so here's a link on this particular product, or you can we'll put in motorcycles, or you can get a link for all of this. So people will link to this page and it's all motorcycles. Maybe you're doing an article on motorcycles or something like that. So that's how the SiteStripe works there once you sign up to the program and get accepted into it. Yeah, SiteStripe is what it's called. Okay, let's check. I'm trying to find advertisers. Okay, this is your access ID. You get 2 of them. If you forget it, I mean, download it, keep it. You're going to need, you get the access key, and then you get like a password, and then it will let you download it and keep those, or you're going to have to delete it and create another one. It's very easy. I do it all the time. I delete them and create new ones because I don't keep track of them. And then if you go down here to Resource Center, and here's some instructions and stuff like that. You get the browse mode. So you put in your store ID, you put in your access key, which we just looked at. You put in another type of number, what's it called, API request. It will come with what I just showed you, the download when you get your access key. Then you put in the product. So say, let's go here. Let's go down here. And so the ASIN, you'd put that in, and you'd put that here, and then what you want out of the product. Let's see. Yes, I usually select all. You can go down here and put in what as far as resources, and then you run the request, and it will come up with that item for you. Just keep in mind when you sign up initially and do this, it takes once you get the key and everything and you're trying to search for something, you're not going to be able to get it the first week or 2. I think it took me a week or 2 until products started showing up. So do your access key and your secret key, and then give it a week or 2, and then just keep trying, and eventually it'll come up. It won't come up right away. So I wanted to tell you that. And I wish I could find the countries. Here's a consolidated report. Oh, this is it. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So I did, when I showed you, they add all those countries. So I do make sales in other countries, very few. But it happens. Netherlands, Canada, UK. I live in the United States. And then if I go here, back to payment history, that's what I'll receive. I think you have to get $100 before they'll pay you, and that will go direct deposit into my bank. And then I'll take that and I'll invest it. Everything that I make on YouTube and social media and affiliate stuff, I'm going to put in investments for when I get older. And hopefully this will all be passive income. I probably got 6-8 more years until retirement, and hopefully by then I've got this going high enough to where it's good passive income for me and for you, especially if you're young. Who knows what the hell's going to happen, right, in 10, 15, 20 years with all this stuff. I'm sure it will be stuff that boggles the mind. There's other affiliate sites, and I'll put some of these, the more popular ones, down in the description that I belong to. This is the only one I've really made money at. 2550, as you see there. I haven't really made money off these, but I've only been using them for a couple months religiously. I've had them for a while. I just haven't utilized them for any reason. So if I start making money off these affiliate links, I'll do another video just to show you what I'm making. But that is kind of the skinny. That's kind of the, okay, I did YouTube for 3.5 years. I got up to monetization. Okay, now I'm doing advertising off my YouTube videos and off my websites. So that seems to be the next progression. So I wanted to make this video just explain what's going on as far as my channel, kind of clue you in, and hopefully that will help you, especially if you're starting out. Maybe you're in the 2-year, 3-year, even 5-year if you're not making anything. Don't get frustrated. I get frustrated all the time. I understand you do, but it will happen. You just got to keep doing it. And not that I believe this is a job or work, but you do have to work at it. You do have to take hours at it. You do have to sacrifice your time. I consider this my second job. I go to work and then I come home and then I pretty much do this all the time. And then I'll go to work, I'll come home and do this all the time. So that's really all I do with my life. So this is like a second job to me, and it's starting to pay off. So hopefully it will pay off more. All right, gals and guys, I know I rambled a lot. I know I threw out a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to make this video to kind of get people who are in my situation, close to my situation, just to kind of clue you into what to expect and what's happening as far as if my situation is close to your situation. That's all this video is about, just to clue you in on that. It's always good to kind of have someone else that's in the situation and see what they're doing, and it kind of makes you feel better to the fact that, okay, this stuff does take a while. This person took a while. Not like these fucking stupid gurus that are going to tell you that you're going to do it in 30, 60 days. I've got the true method to do it. Only my method will get you there. And it's bullshit. You can go on YouTube, get the same information for free. All right, gals and guys, thank you for putting up with my nonsense, and I appreciate you very much. And I promise the next time I post something, it's going to be teaching you about something, a tutorial about something. I appreciate you. Subscribe, hit the bell, share, and I know I missed something. Like. All right, gals and guys, I will catch you later. See you.